Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be talking about how to set your domain's name servers or your DNS. And what I mean by that is selecting your region for your website domain. So for example, if you click over here on this more options, we can change the region, and over here you can select the CDN, that's all regions, or you can select the region that you were closest to. For example, for me it would be North America just because I'm closest to the United States. I could also, for example, I was on Canada, I would be choosing North America also, just because that is closer to any of these other ones over here. So we're just going to click that, and we can click on change region. Once you guys change the region, the page will refresh and you will be sent to the same page, and your region will be changed. You also need to do something else to change your region or to set your domain's name servers, and that will be shown on the support area. If we go over here to the support, if you click on support and go to domains and hosting and go to Builderall name servers, it will show you what you need to do. So over here, if your business is a local business, it will be recommended to select the local region name servers, as over here, these two links over here, this one and this one. Or if you want to choose the CDN option, that is the worldwide option. If you don't want your business to just be local, you can choose these two links over here to put on your hosting platform. Once you guys decided if your business is going to be a local business or a CDN worldwide option, you can put any of the links over here on your hosting platform and it should change the region for you. This is how you guys set your domain's name servers. Thank you for watching and have a great day.